Hi guys, I'm Andrew from RCBS. I'm here today to talk to you about the Partner Press.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
The Partner Press is perfect for the guy who's just looking to get into reloading. It's great for the guy with a budget in mind, and it's excellent for the guy looking for a press to throw in his range bag to bring to the range. This press has a 4-inch opening, a 3.5-inch ram stroke. It uses standard 7/8 14 dies and standard shell holders. This press is also available in our partner reloading kit, but right now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you what's inside this box. So first we're gonna open it up. We've got a detailed instruction manual, quality packing. The first part is the O frame of the press. There's the press handle, the priming arm components, and the spent primer catch. To install, we're simply going to thread the handle into the press. And here we're demonstrating that we have the RCBS universal mounting plate. You may not have this, but it's a great accessory if you plan to ever expand your RCBS product line. Just screw in a couple of quick bolts to install the press. From here out, all you need to do is use your standard 7/8 14 die set and your standard shell holder, and you're ready to load. To install the primer catch, you'll take the included primer catch, and it clips to the right side of the frame, just above the shell holder. To install the primer arm, you'll locate it in the included accessory bag. Find the primer arm and the swing arm spring. Take the primer plug sleeve and the primer plug. There will be one for a small size and one for a large size primer. You're going to install through the primer plug sleeve, and then you're going to locate the primer arm spring. Slide that over the threaded section of the primer plug. Thread that into the threaded section of your primer arm. Now you can use, there's a small hole in here, and you can use a small nail or a piece of wire to make that tight. And then when you install the primer arm pin in your press with the tool of your choice, the primer arm will slide over that pin and it will be secured with the clip. To install the primer arm pin, you're going to locate the hole on the left side of the press, and you'll need to either press this in with a tool of your choice, at which point the primer arm will locate over the top of it, and then it'll be secured with this retaining ring. Once installed, it can swing out of the way, and you can interchange whether you need a large primer or a small primer-sized cup. The Partner Press is a great press for the beginner, the budget-minded, and the guy looking to throw a press in his range bag. If you have any questions, comment below. For any other questions about the Partner Press, visit rcbs.com.